Email Ramp is an initiative of A-list copywriters whose mission is to help small marketers and business owners who cannot afford their services to still have access to their email vaults and make money from sending mails. In case you don't know, A-list copywriters charge between $100 to $250 for a single email. Email Ramp enables you to write powerful, cash-pumping emails in 5 minutes, even if you don't know jack about copywriting. It gives you access to 999 plus engaging and highly persuasive emails you can just copy-paste to your autoresponder and send to your subscribers, and they will be eager to buy whatever you are promoting to them. Email Ramp features list nurturing emails, which you can use to gain the trust of your subscribers and put them in the mood of buying from you. Pre-launch emails, which you can use to build anticipation in the minds of your subscribers ahead of your product launch. Product launch emails, ready to launch your product or service. Use these emails to practically force your subscribers to buy from you. Storytelling emails, stories will always sell. These story-based emails can be used to engage your audience and pitch your product at the end. Emotional selling, people make buying decisions emotionally, and these emails will tap into that emotion and move them to buy. Discount offer emails, want fast sales? Use this discount and time-limited offer emails to push your subscribers to the edge of buying. Re-engagement emails, even if your list is dead, the emails here will reawaken them and make them responsive once again. What Email Ramp can do for you. Access to over 999 proven to convert emails. Email Ramp is a software that gives you access to over 999 subscriber bonding, cash churning and sales generating emails that will double, triple or even quadruple your email marketing results. Fully tested and proven to bring massive sales. The copywriters behind these emails have written emails that brought in over $5 million in sales for themselves and their clients. And so, they understand what works and what doesn't work when it comes to writing marketing emails. Every email inside this software is proven to convert and pull in massive sales. It's super easy to use. All you need to do is to select your niche and then the email type you want. You will then be greeted with hundreds of emails you can use or swipe for that purpose. Great for both newbies and veteran marketers. Even though Email Ramp was built with small business owners, marketers, product creators and copywriters in mind, even as a veteran marketer, you will benefit immensely from this software. Developed by A-level copywriters, what you find inside Email Ramp are 100% brand new, unique and proven to convert emails written by their clique of 6- and 7-figure email copywriters who are jointly responsible for millions of dollars in sales. So be rest assured that whatever email you get from the software is bound to pull in results for you. Save yourself money, time and energy. Email Ramp saves even the most experienced email copywriters a lot of time. No more hours and hours of staring on a blank page thinking of what to write. Best of all, you won't have to spend thousands of dollars hiring email copywriters or buying swipes that contain only few emails. Get better results, stand out from the huge competition, and model the best guys out there. Build your brand faster, enhance your marketplace position, increase the credibility of your offer, sell more products to your email list and make more money, because high-quality emails sell. Become recognized as a top email copywriter. Increase your freelance copywriting business profits, because clients will be blown away at the quality of your work and fast turnaround times. And yes, other copywriters will scratch their heads, not knowing of your magic. Nothing to install and works on any device. This software runs on the cloud, and so there's absolutely nothing to install. Most importantly, it works on any device, whether PC, tablet or phone. This means you can work from anywhere you are and from any device as long as you're connected to the internet. Amazing support. You see, they didn't just build this software for you, they built it for themselves too. They use it just like you'll be using. So you should expect that they will maintain it and keep it running endlessly, unlike many other cloud-based software that packs up after 1 year or even less. They're in this for the long haul, and so expect amazing support. Email ramp review, pros and cons. Pros: affordable. Huge library of sales emails. Quality sequences by world-class copywriters. Fully customizable. Suit many niches and purposes. User-friendly dashboard. Cons: to connect with your autoresponder system, you have to buy OTO1.